Good morning, Sanbonani. I'm Dr. Kayembe. I'm one of the clinical managers here at Kamalaki CHC. I'm the HAS clinical manager, together with my colleague.
Good morning, Sanbonani. I am Dr. Bondo. I am the clinical manager for OPD at Kamalaki CHC.
We want to welcome you officially at our floor. This is the doctor's complex. We are situated upstairs on the first floor of Kamalaki. We provide service for all chronic diseases. We provide acute condition assessment also, although we do have a casualty that deals with really acute condition, but anybody with a flu or any acute is seen here. We provide treatment for hypertension, for diabetes, for epilepsy, and for asthma, and for all other chronic conditions, including HIV. So we really want to welcome you. We at any given moment we've got about 6-7 doctors on the floor, but Dr. Bondo will tell you more about the booking system and how it runs here.
Yes, for all our patients to come to the doctor's complex, to prevent delaying you in long queues, we work on the booking system. What does it mean? Patients are booked, are given an appointment in advance, so that the day they come to Kamalaki CHC, they can find their files already retrieved, so that they can be given those files and join the queue in the doctor's complex. So patients who are coming for the first time, they don't come straight to the doctor's complex. They start assessment downstairs in the nursing complex. Then the nurse will phone the doctor, discuss over the phone about their condition, and then the doctor will decide whether the patient can be given an appointment or it can be seen the same day. This allows us a quick flow of the patient in OPD and prevent unnecessary delays.
Yes, but in case that you encounter any delay or any problem when you come, our office is down the road from our place, and you are free to be. You can pause. Yeah.